Hello everybody. There are not many audiences, but I'm happy to give a talk. Hopefully I can show you how we can work and what kind of service we can deliver. We, SISTECH, Korean company, is delivering digital twin realization and mobility navigation service based on city-scale 3D model. We fly drone which is made by ourselves like this. When the flight is flying, we can take picture automatically, and the flights are pre-scheduled and done all automatically. And after mission finished, the plane lands and take the data. Based on the data, we build 3D model. This is an example of 3D model of a city called Daejeon in the middle of Korea. Even though you cannot see the detail of the 3D image with this screen, we can classify the objects according to the characteristics. For example, commercial buildings, or residential buildings, or buildings older than 20 years, something like that. We can identify and show you. Also, we can extract the objects, and this object we can transform or export to other programs. So I just want to summarize the beauty of our company. We can take picture of high resolution over wide range very quickly. And after we take picture, we do the post-processing full automatically and at a very good price. Our 3D model is about 10 times better than that of Google Earth. Our resolution is 2 to 3 centimeter per pixel compared to 20 centimeter pixel Google Earth. So let me summarize some characteristics of our company. Some points, we are world best. We can cover wide area and long distance. We have 3D models up to 200 square kilometers, and we can fly 23 hours long at a single flight, and we can make 3D model of 20 square kilometers by single flight. And also all these services we can deliver at a very good price. And not only we are talking about POC, we have businesses with them, and we have more than 90,000 kilometer flight experiences. And some features, we have Korea first. We have one-piece 3D model over 100 square kilometers. And also we have references over 50 cities already. And we are trying to build 70 cities by end of this year. And also we have lots of commercial flight experiences. We have more than 20,000 flights with Korean-made, made in Korea fixed wing. And also we have 150 kilometer flight with drones. Let me go more in detail about the hardware. We made drone by ourselves. And we have optimized the plane so that you can fly high, fly long distance, you can cover wide areas. And also we have group flight management technologies. You can fly up to 5 drones at the same time. Sometimes 5 drones in one direction, 2 drones in different directions. That's the know-how. We can cover wide areas and long distances. And also we use multi-angle camera. We have technologies to calibrate the images into 3D model. In terms of software, we have full automated post-processing. That's the reason why we can build 3D model very quickly without any post-touch. And also we have technologies to classify objects according to the GIS information or characteristics given by other sources. We can show you with colors or kind of shadows, various technologies. We can show you the objects. And also we have already made 50 cities model, and we have platform to handle that size of the 3D models. We have many customers to improve our software and services, global software companies and Korean research institutes, and also clients, government authorities, private companies, and so on. Let me show you some examples what we can do, what kind of service we can deliver. One example is digital twin. we have various examples already, up to 200 square kilometers from 8 square kilometers. Various size 3D model we can do, and based on that, we can deliver various services. And this is an example of how we take long distance 3D model and deliver services. As you can see, we have various ways of flying, launching planes. This model is for 150 kilometer highway in Korea. In this case, we took 3D model every 3 months for 5 years. In this way, from the middle, we flew four drones at the same time in different directions. Each drone flew 75 kilometers and back 75 kilometers. In this way, we could cover 150 kilometers in 2 hours. Then next day you get the 3D model. You see the 3D model before and after. And in that way we can make 150 kilometer 3D model in 1 day. And this example is to taking the model of the seashore. In this time we flew 5 drones at the same time in one direction. So we can cover 1 kilometer width at one flight. In Korean western coast we have very big tidal difference. We need to be able to cover 1 kilometer width. So as I mentioned, we can cover long area and wide area services. For example, express highway or electricity facility management or oil and gases. We can fly 400 kilometers, 1,000 kilometers. Maybe we are one of the only solutions which can make 1,000 kilometer 3D model. And also we can cover wide areas up to 500 square kilometers. We can calculate the cabbages, for example, lettuce. Calculate into how many they are. And you can directly use it for the commercial purposes. And also we can investigate the diseases and the pest parts. For example, pine nematode, you can calculate where are the defect areas and so on. This is an example of for UAV applications. In this model, based on this real 3D model, we flew 8 drones in this model. You can use this for the simulation of the UAV. When you make your own UAV, before you fly in a real city, you need to be able to sure that whether your UAV is okay. So you can use it for simulation, and also you can combine our 3D model with navigation. You can use it for UAV or automotive navigation. Also you can use this one for car navigation. This model shows you just normal navigation and 3D model navigation. So you can improve the navigation systems. This is the example of 3D model navigation and normal navigation. So you can use this for the simulation of UVM or UTM before you fly real drone or UAV in the city, and also you can use this for navigation for car. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Yes, we are a private company. We use special camera, so oblique camera, 5 lens cameras. But we can use also just single lens camera too. But in order to get best quality, we use a special camera. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, okay. 150 meter. 150 meter. Thank you again.